This is the second statement for the law of negative exponent, which tells us that if we have an exponentiation with negative exponent that can be found in a denominator of a fraction or a rational expression, you can make the exponent positive by writing it as a whole number or integer or moving it up in your rational expression. Now let's show that from here we could reach to this expression. So again, a here is what we call as the base and m is our exponent. To show that this is true, let's start writing with this expression here. Now, we are going to use here two different laws of exponents. The first one is when we try to look into our expression on our numerator. It's a coefficient or a constant 1. We would like to come up with an expression in such a way that we could combine them into one because we only have one expression here. And what is that? I would like us to transform 1 as an exponentiation of base a as well. When do we get, or what form of exponentiation with base a will give us equal to 1? Yes, that's the law of zero exponent. We'll have 0 here. In short, I can rewrite my numerator instead of 1, that's a to the power of 0 over a to the power of negative m. Next here is to apply. Since we have the same basis now, we can apply here the division law of exponents, which tells us that if we are dividing exponentiations or expressions with the same base, copy the base and subtract the exponents. When we do that, we copy first our the exponent of our numerator as our minuend minus the exponent of our denominator, which is negative m, take note of that, as our subtrahend. Take note of this, minus negative, because this is already the exponent of our denominator. Using the double negative property here, you will have an expression of a to the power of 0 plus m. And since it's just 0, this is just equal to a to the power of m. Cutting all the middlemen here, we can have 1 over a to the power of negative m equal to this expression a to the power of m. This already shows that the law of negative exponent in its second statement is correct, that once you will have an expression or exponentiation in your denominator with negative exponent, you can bring it up, making the exponent positive. So this is properties, laws, and theorems. Please subscribe now.